Hey guys, really quick declutter video. I've been sick the last couple of days, so I haven't been online. We went camping at the weekend and we actually called in to see our first employer when we moved over here 12 years ago. And lo and behold, they gave us a box of apples. And I just bought apples at our local farmer's market that morning. So in my slow cooker, it's going to take about 10 hours. 6 or 7 apples with some sugar and some cinnamon and some ground cloves, brown sugar and white sugar. And then over here, because I felt bad with all these lemon peels or apple peels, I've actually found a recipe to make dried apple crisp things. So I've just mixed up some cinnamon sugar and I've added some water to this. And then you mix this into this, and you can make cinnamon churro style crisps. So that has to go into the oven for about an hour, and in tomorrow's video I will show you that. But yeah, just trying to be more mindful with our food waste. I still, even after using up all those apples, have heaps of apples. So I might do an apple cake or an apple tart or something tomorrow. Tom is playing the tunes, so I will cut this video short here and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.